great thinkers. I learned so much from Sridhar and Sriram and Rajat, because I am also hungry for ideas. They are also hungry, so we exchange ideas from here, like this. I think in this industry, is you a writer first of all had to be punctual in terms of delivery. Coming back to Sridhar's writing initially, he had, when I had used to phone him a day before, I said, Sridhar, kal shoot hai. Though I was shooting myself, because I was shooting both art and CID, and I had no time even to come for a production meet. So the production meet used to take place on the set, when I used to leave the shot and come and attend, and Sridhar would narrate the story there, take the feedback, story would come, I'll give my feedback. And we confidently used to plan shoot for next day, and we knew that we can plan the shoot for 9 o'clock morning. Everything had taken place. Production meeting is on his narration, but still there was no script with us, and we have never shot anything without a script, without a fully written script. And in the morning, Sridhar would deliver the script. I don't know what magic he had, when he had time away from his meetings, drinking, smoking, everything, he would still deliver the script. He has never ever faltered. Never ever. In between this, he would come for channel meetings also. In channel meetings, he had to narrate 10 to 12 story ideas, sometimes 10 to 12 screenplays, besides this regular writing. Can you imagine? He has never failed in that. Never failed his narration also. He would, just mesmerize people by his narration. Even we would just hear it, sometimes, because we were aware of most of the stories, but sometimes in narration, he would come up with ideas. Even I was amazed, Sridhar, yaar, वो story ऐसे घुमा दी. बोला हाँ सर, वो अचानक कुछ idea आया and all that. So that's the sign. That's why they are progressing so well today, because they are conscientious people, conscientious writers. They understand value of delivering product at right time. That's very important. एक ऐसा मुकाम आया कि that we need to create something drastic in our journey, further journey in CID. We need to have some huge milestones. So this is what crossed my mind, that I must do something. We should do something which is in our control also. So this was the thing, that because since I am a cameraman, I can think in terms of visual. We had support of great writers, great team, and we have great team of artists who we are very confident they can do anything. So we said we can have something which can be done in a single shot. So I said, तो single shot फिर कितना? ऐसे ठीक है, चलो 1 hour करेंगे. So 1 hour का ऐसे कुछ सोचा कि 1 hour करेंगे, ठीक है, सोचा था उसे. On the way I met सौरभ शुक्ला one day morning walk में. सौरभ को मैंने बोला, यार ऐसे ऐसे कुछ कर रहे हैं. सौरभ सर, ये क्या बात कर रहे हो, तो ऑलरेडी हो गया है. बोले कितना हो गया? बोले 80 minutes तो हो गया है. I can give you DVD. He said, क्या है वो? He said, वो रशिया में कुछ एक म्यूजियम के आसपास कुछ शूट हुआ है. वो स्टोरी नहीं था, ऐसी था, बट बोला सिंगल शॉट. से यार 80 minutes तो हो गया, then it means we need to do something. I said, चलो let's do something for 2 hours. अभी आके सबको बोला 2 hours. चलो मैंने looked at me, 2 hours. हो सकता है, ऐसे क्यों नहीं हो सकता? हो सकता है. So ऐसे 50-60 आदमियों को ऐसे इंस्पायर कर दिया. अभी वो गाड़ी निकल पड़ी 2 hours. We told it to channel said, yeah, how would we telecast it? It cannot be telecast without commercials. I said, you cannot cut it. It will be one shot. So they actually took quite a huge loss on that, but they say, okay, it can be done. Tarun Katyal was in charge. He's a very, very progressive guy. He's a big guy. He said, sir, don't worry. Go ahead, do it. Give me the budget later on. He sanctioned a huge budget. But it took me 4 years to make it. 4 years from planning to actual doing. Now, I realized that we will require a place. It cannot be shot on street. It cannot be done here. It cannot be shot in a way we used to shoot CID, like camera running on street. It cannot run for 1 hour, 2 hours. It required a controlled place. But still, it needed to be done on a huge scale. So while I used to go to Film Institute for lectures and all that, while coming on the way, I saw this huge hotel which is called Laguna now. So I went inside and I saw the place. I realized कि ये बहुत राइट टाइम पे कुछ दिख गया है, यहाँ कुछ हो सकता है. पूरा बंद था and there was nothing inside. So I met the owner, I convinced him, so he gave it for, he said, okay, how many days you want it? I said, I want it for about 10 days. Now came the most important part, where is the story? And how the story will be written. Rajat, Viru and Christy, 3 people were writing it. I told them, this is it, we will have to do it. Long back, somewhere I had come across a story, मैंने उसको ऐसे रखा हुआ था कहीं पे कि when the time comes, this idea we can use it. So I told them this idea, that I have this idea, that someone comes to a place, a huge building, as he is sitting there, he hears a gunshot and somebody dies somewhere inside the building. But when he rushes, there is no body. That was a basic idea. So we 4 of us sat together and they asked me a question, how many scenes do we write? I had no answer because there were no scenes. There was one single scene. And to make a suspense story without cuts was unheard of. You can make a love story, you can make something, you can make a huge event. But it is CID, it has to have murder, it has to have suspense, mystery, and then proper beginning, middle and climax. So in the final version, if you see, the murderer is all along with you, but we could hold on to it. Eventually we made of 111 minutes. I said, just do one thing, let's divide it into 4 parts. So write 30 minutes, then we'll write 30 minutes, then we'll write. So we divided, we know it, 1 page is about, everybody knows it's about a minute. So we'll write about 30 pages. And within, I think, 7-8 days, they came up with those 30 minutes. And it was flowing so well, it was compelling reading. I realized कि ये बन गया अभी एपिसोड, क्योंकि जिस दिन राइटिंग हो गया उस दिन मतलब बन गया. Then we wrote next 30 minutes, and we had a story, fully written story. I was thinking of creating something, on that scale of Cecil B. DeMille, so that कुछ ऐसा होएगा the people will remember. I read the story, I had the location, but somehow the story was not getting inside me. I realized that I am not attached to this story. The story is there, but it's not sort of inspiring me to read it again and again for 2 hours. So if it's happening at this time, then what will happen eventually when it is made? All the time we were struggling this idea, can it hold? Because there is no cut. Everybody is in the frame all the time. Everybody is talking all the time. All other elements which the writers and directors have at their disposal, of cutaway, of the length of the shot, of zooming in, of having close-up, having big shots, those things were taken away from us. It's all the time a mid-shot. There are people in the frame. So how do we create mystery? How do you create suspense? So then I started thinking in terms of the movements in the frame. That if I have to have a close-up, then I slowly walk towards camera and then merge with others, and the camera slowly goes to mid shot or close-up or long shot. So that was the technical part. The difficult part was how to tell the story in a continuous manner. Then I took Viru with me and we took a handycam like this, and I went on the location. I said nobody should come, and then I went on location and 2-3 of us, we just stood in the location because it was barren and there was nothing inside. So I said let's feel the smell of this place, and let's actually get attached to this place. So we moved in the corridors, and I spent about 2-3 hours alone in that place. I sat there, I tried to imagine that people moving through this and all that. And as I was entering into a room, suddenly somebody was hiding somewhere in the kitchen. I said, "यार, तुम कौन है यार?" बोला, "मैं तो वॉचमैन हूँ." बोला, "यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? सो रहा है and all that." It was like real horror story. Then we took this handy cam and I said, "I will run and you take the shot." So we took a shot about 18-20 minutes. I was just telling some lines. कुछ एक्टिंग उल्टा सीधा मैं कर रहा था. He went on following. Then we played it back and 18-19 मिनट का एक शॉट देखा. It made sense. So we did the blocking for 7 days. 7 days we took the rehearsals, and on 8th day we tried the shot, and I think very first take we got the shot. But the basic, the win of the idea was that we managed to write a story which is without our regular cuts. I mean, there are no scenes, there are no on the script you don't find those things written. See, I am game for false drama. Red herrings are important for a thriller. I mean, we can't get away from that. But I am against false flashbacks. I somehow don't cater to it, and I try people not to do that, because that, I think, is a kind of cheating. I shouldn't call it cheating. I don't use it in my, because when a writer writes a flashback, he is taking audience with him, trying to tell this is what has happened. If you are showing my flashback, then it better be true. I cannot be going in a flashback in which I am telling the lie. Like, for example, I tell you, there's a great film, Kahani. In Kahani, Vidya Balan is all the time going into a flashback, and a wrong husband is being shown in flashback. If those wrong flashbacks were not shown, then the secret would have been out even during the interval only, that this pregnancy may be just a ruse to get the audience. Because if we are showing a flashback in which she is pregnant and husband is also present, then it's bound to be true. But in the end, the real husband is shown in the same flashback. Flashback is shown again, and then the husband is shown, the real one. So that, I would think twice doing it myself. But in that film, it was done so well, and the story is moving at such a great pace. Mystery is intact till the last moment. So in that case, it can be called great writing, but I don't use it in my storytelling. If you are asking red herring will be successful or not, that you can make out while writing, not after shooting or something. So when you write it and when you narrate it, you will know immediately whether it's working. The search is continuously on to find a story which we have, the subject which we have not done in CID, because over 850 stories, 50 episodes have been made. Almost everything in whatever is possible in a detective genre, we have covered it. So we must come up with something which is a film subject and not a TV subject. Otherwise, nobody will come to see the film.
It has the same actors, same team.
It will, actors will be same, because we have an advantage that we have a famous team. Only thing, they will be up against very big villain. So we have to see who that artist will be and who we can afford. See, this is a new territory for us, and it's very exciting thing that I am meeting new writers, and and writers who I do not know at all. So the only way we can know each other, that they tell their story and I ask them their experience, and so it's like starting from zero. I met 2-3 people. I need to make a team of about 8 writers, like we have it here. Tall order, because everyone I have come across in Calcutta, they are again saying same thing, that there aren't many writers who can write this kind of thing for you. But I am very confident that I can inspire at least 7-8 people to write this Quran for us. And again, I am going with open mind. Again, as I said, no idea is bad, no writing is bad. Only thing that we have to sort of channelize their thoughts and their energy into one particular course, like the way we write. I am sort of holding mini workshops. Now I am going to have major workshop in which whole day we will discuss. Again, same thing, what I have learned so far, that how to start, what the scene 1 should be, scene 2 should be, and how the story will flow, how a new story will look different from earlier story, because you must realize that in every story we have same elements. We have a dead body, we have 7 detectives, we have nothing else. But we have found that in 15 years people are not fed up with that format. We are still doing well, because long back I realized that mystery and suspense will never die. I also added certain elements in CID type thriller. That is how to write for locations. That's a new element which we added. On the way, when we realized that we need to shoot on locations, when you are shooting on street or on a new location, in which location is also as important as your story, then you need to convert your scenes according to the location. The whole language of that scene changes. The movement of camera movements, movement of the artist, they start contributing towards your content in that scene. So that we have trained here, to our writers are somewhat trained in a way while writing that scene. So what I will do, I will take these writers around with me to new location, which are new to me also. And there we will stand there and discuss how a scene can be shot at this particular place. And this we have learned, like when we first outdoor we did was of Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. Once we went there and we saw the location, we were fascinated by locations and all that. But we also realized on the way that our CID episode should not become a sort of travelogue. It should not become that cops are trying to show the locations. And if you had seen CID, you will realize that if you want to show location, you need to show cops just walking on the location. You cannot show it by having them in a car or something, because then it will just fly past. So sometimes you wonder why they are walking all the time for an hour, because this is the requirement of the location. Second major problem in making a crime thriller in a particular city is that we are actually obliged to that city when we shoot CID there. Like if Jaisalmer and Jodhpur we shot, people there just helped us and like anything. So it's not in our interest to show the city or the people in bad light. But since we are making a murder mystery, we have to have a murderer, we have to have a villain. Plus we need to show the city, we need to show the lanes, by lanes, buildings, people. So then this is what I am trying to tell, that this is what we have evolved to write according to the location. Now we go on the locations, writers, myself, we see the location for 2-3 days. 4th day we write the story. 5th day our team arrives there and we start shooting. We did it in Calcutta just now. We did it in Jodhpur. We did it in Kerala. When I saw that lake, I decided we must have chase here or boat chase. So I hired 3-4 boats. We found a reason in the story reason for the chase and all that. So that's what our writers are doing. We have shot in Switzerland, Paris, and we have written according to the location. I would say that, it's not correct to lecture or just anybody to say that do this, do that. But I think new writers are, today I would say new writers are lucky that there are hundreds of opportunities. But they need to upgrade themselves most of the time. They need to be evolved. They need to learn new techniques, and basically they need to learn how to narrate a story. That's very important, because most of the writers who are coming to us, they start narrating the screenplay straight away instead of narrating the story. So when we ask them, tell us the story, they again say कि रात का time है, बिजली कड़क रही है, but that's not the story. So they have worked out the screenplay straight away. So I think somewhere on the way we need to train them in reverse. First comes the story, and then comes the screenplay. It's the old thing. I'm just repeating it.
So now you're a successful actor. How does it feel to be an actor?
I don't know. Sri Ram had confidence in me, and he said, I need this face. I have a choice of actors, but I need this face. So I said, sure. He said, I'm very much sure. And he gave me free hand, and he gave me such a big role. So I'm obliged to him and obliged to his confidence in me. And I'm acting in CID because it's a comfortable environment. It's an art production, so there is no objection from any corner so far.